do you do for a living?
Well, I'm a power line worker based in Burnsley County.
And were you working on April 29th of 2021?
I was on Raptor Road that day.
And I want to direct your attention to noon of that day. What happened?
Well, I was just working, and then this man who I recognized from around town, Eric Smith, was bitten by a snake at his mailbox.
How did that bite happen?
He reached his mailbox and then stepped back.
Hi, my name is Taylor Thompson, and I'm a third-year attorney on the EGHS mock trial team. And we've gone second twice, and now finally in my senior year, we won first place in our county, and we're heading to state. An attorney in mock trial, we are the ones who argue whether the defendant, who's the person on trial, is guilty or not guilty. And me and my co-counsel, we both argue both sides of the case, so we know it extremely well.
My name is Alex Steensland, and I'm a fourth-year member of the mock trial team here at Elk Grove High. Senior, I've been doing a bunch of different roles. I was a witness my first 2 years, and then an attorney last year, and this year I'm a pre-trial. So when we go into a courtroom, we first deal with whether or not evidence should be in the trial or out of the trial, excluded. So I'm arguing both sides, depending on which side we're arguing that day, whether or not the Fourth Amendment specifically has been violated, and whether or not the evidence obtained through a search should be admitted to trial.
My name is Jackson Weinheimer. I'm also a four-year member. I say, like most people, I didn't really know what mock trial was until I came. It took a couple of practices before I really understood it, but it's just a really great program.
And one of my friends, freshman year, his cousin was on the team, so he invited me to join just so he had someone to be on the team with him. But honestly, it didn't interest me as much at first, but I got into it very quickly and started picking up a lot of the work, a lot of the devotion that goes into mock trial.
In this team, we're together so often, 2 hours a day, almost every day of the week, that you really don't have a choice other than to work as a team. We have a really strong bond, especially between attorneys and witnesses. We have a lot of trust in each other, which is really important if we're going to be arguing next to each other.
All the teams work really hard, but we're here every day, every Saturday, giving up hours and hours. And I know myself, but mostly our attorneys, they're working every day at home as well, just putting in the time, putting in the hours and the work. And it's just whoever works hardest is going to come out on top most of the time.
I've never been to state before, but I know that the difference between county and state is in county, you're really arguing to see who prepared the best. And in state, you're really arguing to see who prepared the best and who can think on their feet and adapt to what's going to come. And so we're going to need to work on a bit of our adaptability so we can have a chance at competing really well in state, which I think we do.
Hi, I'm Steve Martinez. I'm the teacher coach for Elk Grove High School mock trial team. This year's team worked really hard. We were really small. We usually have a team of 20 plus. We kept this year's team at 10. And so all of these students had to work twice as hard as any other team I've ever had, just because there were so few of us, and everybody did a great job.
Thank you to our teammates who are not represented on this video, especially my co-counsel, Jessica Meeker, our 4 witnesses, our clerk, our bailiff, all the people who helped us get to this point, all the teachers, the coaches, the teachers who let us stay in their room after school because we needed time to practice afterwards.